Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase staking rewards with KuCoin step by step clearly.
Open the KuCoin app or website. Log in to your account. If you do not have a KuCoin account, create one by following the sign-up process. Once logged in, navigate to the Earn section on the dashboard. Select staking from the options provided. Review the list of available assets for staking. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to stake.
Click on the asset to see detailed information including annual percentage yield. Before proceeding, ensure you understand the staking terms, lockup period, and rewards distribution schedule. Click the Stake button for the selected asset. Enter the amount you wish to stake. Review the transaction details for accuracy. Confirm the staking transaction. Monitor your staking rewards in the Earn section. Check for any updates on the staking program that could enhance your rewards. Consider diversifying your staking by selecting multiple assets for higher returns. Keep an eye on staking trends and adjust your strategy as necessary. Stay informed about KuCoin's announcements regarding new staking opportunities. Regularly assess the performance of your staked assets. That's it. You are now ready to increase your staking rewards with KuCoin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.